Hi, my name is Vivamoni Singh. I am the Director of Certification of Universal Fitness Training Academy, and our university has been established in the year 2006, and it's been almost 13 years I have been training trainers, and I have produced some of the best trainers in the industry, and it's been almost 1600 trainers have been certified from this academy, and our academy is known as one of the best academy because our academy is affiliated from National Council of Sports Science and Physical Education, and it is under the affiliation of ICC-SPE. Our academy is situated in Hangrapari, and we have got a lot of facilities out there. We have got a 3-dimensional software. Let us see what kind of facilities we have in UFTA.
Gain sufficient knowledge from sir, which I didn't know before.
So if you want to make a successful career in the fitness industry as a personal trainer, then the best place to join is Universal Fitness Training Academy.